Hey there, EzyCourse users. Brace yourselves for a major upgrade, introducing two premium features that will reshape how you experience our app: events and appointments. Ever wished for a personal scheduling assistant? Well, wish granted. Events and appointments keep you on point with customizable reminders, ensuring you're always ahead of the game. But wait, there's more. Appointments sync seamlessly with your device calendar, guaranteeing you never miss a critical meeting or deadline again. And here's the exciting news, introducing our groundbreaking multi-language feature. Head to the account section, choose your preferred language, and suddenly, EzyCourse speaks your language. Ready for a smarter, more personalized app experience? Get your own app now with your brand's identity. Enhance your brand presence and offer a seamless branded native mobile experience to your users.